With the children, get ready for the class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. We are doing percentages. After some gap, we are taking today. We are doing percentages. I explained what is percentage. A percentage is fraction. Fraction can be converted into percentages and percentage into fraction. We did problems in previous class. Now today 7C exercise. Profit and loss, selling price, cost price. Now 7C exercise. 7C exercise. 7C page 114. Percentages. Percentages. Seven exercise. 7C. I will read the problem. Kamal bought a paper sheets 72,100 rupees and spent 200 on transport and paying 600 rupees. He had 330 boxes made, which he sold at 28 rupees each. Find his total profit and percentage of profit. Once again, I will read the problem. Kamal bought paper sheets for 7,200 rupees and spent 200 on transport. Okay, paying 600. He had 330 boxes made, which he sold at 28 each. Find the total profit and percentage of profit. First question, cost price of paper sheets is equal to 7,200 rupees. 7,200. Transport charges. Transport charges 200 rupees. And 600 rupees for preparation of box. Preparation of boxes charge 600 rupees. Total cost 8,000 rupees. Selling price of each selling price of each box rupees 28. Number of boxes are selling price of 330 boxes is equal to 330 into 28. Total cost will be total selling price. And multiply. 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 to 8. 4, 12, 9. 9,240 rupees. Selling price. Selling price is more, so we get profit. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 9,240. Cost price is 8,000. So 1,240 profit. Profit percentage. Percentage of profit is equal to profit 1,240 by cost price 8,000 into 100. Here 2 zeros, 1 0, 3 zeros is cancel. And 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 1s are 31 by 2, that is 15.5% or 15.5%. 7 6. Once again, please follow the steps. Read the problem twice. 7C 15.5%. Correct. Answer 10. Paper sheets. Cost of paper sheets 7,200. Transport charges he invested 200 rupees. And he is preparing boxes. For the making boxes, charges are 600. Total investment, total cost 8,000. Total cost 8,000. Selling price of each box 28. 330 boxes 9,240. Selling price is more, so he will get profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost. 1,240. Percentage of profit 1,240 by 8,000 into 100. So we get 31 by 2, that is 15.5%. Cost price of TV. Cost price of TV is equal to 6,800. Gain 10%. Selling price is equal to selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Loss percentage means here minus loss. Here cost price is 6,800 into 100 plus 10. 110 by 100. 4 zeros cancel. Multiply 0. 11 8 are 88. 66 8 74. Cost price is 7,408. And the last percentage, second bit, first bit gain, second bit 5% loss. Loss is equal to 5%. Now selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Cost price 6,800 and here 100 minus 5, 95 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. Multiply 68 into 95. 95 into 68. Multiply. 8 5s are 40. 72 4 76. 6 5s are 30. 6 9s are 54 3 57. 0 6 4 6. So 6,000 rupees, 6,460. This is the selling price of tea with well loss. Third question. Selling price of a radio given 528. Gain 10%. Cost price is equal to previous fraction becomes reverse. Selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain percentage. If loss means minus 100. Selling price 528 by 100 by 100 plus 10, 110. 0 0 cancel. 11 1s are 11 4s are 44. 8 remains 88. 11 8s are. So cost price of the radio is 480 like this. Simple fraction reverse. Cost price, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percentage by 100, and cost price is equal to selling price into reverse. Into will go that side as by 100 by 100 plus gain percent. Loss means minus loss. Minus loss. Selling price given SP. Selling price of a watch is equal to rupees 448. Profit 12%. Now let us find cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 cost price 100 by 100 plus gain percent. Cost price 448, selling price is 448. We are going to find cost price 100 by 100 plus 12, 112. Directly 112 ones are 112 fours. 112 ones are 112 fours. So rupees 400. Cost price, this is first. Second, cost price CP is equal to 400 rupees. Selling price is equal to 512. And profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So this is 112. 112. Percentage of profit. Percentage of profit is equal to 112 by 448 into 100. %25. Profit. Ones are fours. 4 ones are 425. So profit percentage is 25%. 25%. Like this. So like this you go through these problems, read the problem, apply the formula and do all on this formula only. Selling price and cost price. Selling price, cost price. Person to person. Prem sold to Sudhir. Sudhir sold to Hari. So here, whenever a person is changing and is changing, percentage of profit also changing. Without profit, nobody will sell or buy. See, here we have to find first Prem to Sudhir. Prem to Sudhir, Sudhir to Hari. Sudhir to Hari. Prem sold to Sudhir at the rate of and the profit of 10%. 10% and Sudhir sold it at a gain of 15%. Finally, what is the cost of Hari asking? What did it cost to Hari? Simple. Same 2 times we have to do. In previous problems only one man purchasing and selling. But here persons are changing. In our daily life also our businessmen, our merchants are purchasing it Hyderabad or from source of article production, and again it comes to dealer to shop. So we are customers. Hands are changing. Whenever hands are changing, rate of profit also changes, increases. The cost also increases. First of all, cost of the article. What is that article? Name also given. Transistor. Cost price of transistor is equal to rupees 500. Profit 10%. Profit or gain both are same. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Cost price is 500, 100 plus 10, 110 by 100. Two zeros cancel. Cost of the transistor is 550. Frame sold to Sudhir at the rate of 550. Okay. Next, again, Sudhir sold to Hari. Cost price, selling price of transistor at Sudhir. So cost price CP into cost price into 100%, 100 plus gain by 100. Now cost price is 550, 100 plus 50. So this taking 15%, 115 by 100. So 0 cancel. 5 2s are 5 11s are. Fraction. We are getting fraction. Okay. 11 5s are 55. 11 1s are 11 1 6. 11 1s are 11 1 12. 115 is multiplied by 11. 11 5s are 55. 16, 12, 12, 65 by 2. So this is 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 2 2 are 5. 632 rupees 50 paise. Cost of Hari. Cost of the transistor, my friend. Transistor at Hari. At Hari to Hari is my friend. That's what is. People ask 632.5 rupees price. 0.5 also. Fifth problem, 7C. So like that, apply formula standard.